Hello. Today we are going to share a couple of tips for today's extermination. There is few tips to know. 1. At 1859, an alert will sound. To comply with safety measures, fulfill all necessary conditions. 2. Secure yourself. And it will help you. That was all that we wanted to share. Have a nice night and remember to be safe.
This is not a test. This is the Pentagram City Alert System reports the annual extermination. During extermination, all media facilities will be disabled. Extermination time, from 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. The beginning and end of extermination will be sounded by sirens. We wish you a good night and successful extermination.